Here, there's a vending machine. I'm at Normandy's Farms campground and there's a vending machine. And it uses pay range, but don't worry, I got pay range on my phone. Here. Here's my phone's on there. It's a pay range. Alright. Yeah, pay range. Come on. Okay, start there, guys. Oh, Bluetooth is off. Oh yeah, I need to turn on Bluetooth for this. Okay, start there. There's a bug. Start there, guys. Alright, let's choose candy machine. Alright. Touch list selection. Let's. How much is this? 24. Okay. 24. Done. Alright, I'm gonna get the tropical Skittles. Okay. What will we apply? Alright. 24. Is it working? Alright guys, stay right there. I'm gonna try to do something. Stay right there, guys. Okay guys, this might not be working. I'll try to fix it, but if I can, I'll do it. So stay right there, guys. Yeah, I got the candy machine to work. Alright, let's try now. Connecting. Okay. Yeah, there it comes. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, got my candy. Alright, I'm gonna eat outside. Stare at the guys. Okay, I bought my candy outside. Let's eat it. Oh, now that is good. Too bad you can't have any of this, people. Well, anyways, yeah. So anyways, peace out.